Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to downgrade a Dropbox subscription. Right, so if you want to downgrade your current Dropbox subscription to something lower or to even a free Dropbox basic plan, then here's how to do it. So all you have to do is open up your Dropbox account which you want to downgrade the subscription of. Then all you have to do is on the bottom left corner click on your account icon and select manage account, and this should open up your subscriptions page. And here we go. As you can see, you can click on subscriptions here if you are not on that tab, and you can see that currently I'm on the Dropbox Essentials plan. So in this case what we have to do is cancel our trial. If you have a higher subscription plan, then you can also select change plan here and select our lower level plan, but in this case what we have to do is click on cancel trial here. Or if you are already subscribed, you have to select cancel subscription, select the reason why you are canceling, and confirm that you want to downgrade to a Dropbox basic free account or downgrade to a lower level Dropbox subscription. So now this is how you can downgrade a Dropbox subscription.